Hello everyone. I found another one here, another payphone in a booth this time. And I'm up here in Leverett or Shutesbury. I think it's Shutesbury, very close to the line, next to a recreation area, Lake Wyola. And the beach right there gets pretty popular this time of year in the summer. And I'm riding my bike here, of course. Maybe not, of course. Oh, look at that lion over there. Let's take a look at that first. Kind of interesting. I don't know. I think this house, or it's part of the recreation area. This grounds here. Hello, Mr. Lion. So, don't know what he's made out of. Metal, but I don't know what kind. All right, let's go back to the booth. Now let's see if the phone has a dial tone. Although the last time I did a video of a payphone, they worked, but the dial tone didn't come across on the phone. The mic is down here, I believe, so I'm not sure why. Maybe I put it in the wrong area, but let's try. I would gather these are working, so yeah. All right, there's the dial tone. Is it coming across? If it doesn't, it's very strange that it doesn't through this phone. Interesting. We'll find out. Okay. It works. Coin release. Press to change volume. All right. So yet another payphone that still exists and still works. 9X. I don't know if they exist anymore. I don't know what company or what corporation runs the payphones anymore. I guess maybe it's 9X. Worldwide, you can call there. Maybe, huh? 4 minutes for a $1. Wow. And there we are. It's a bit tilted. I don't know if you can tell there. It's tilted like that way. The pole is fairly straight. And the tree is kind of straight, so you can get an idea of it being, tilted with the horizon of the lake pond over there. Alrighty, that's it. I was thinking of going for a little swim, but I'm too tired. I'm just gonna go home. And there we go. Okay, thanks again. Thanks for watching the videos and subscribing. I'm very, very close to 400 subscribers. About 393 right now. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. All right, have a good one.